ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। श्रीमन्नारायणीयम्। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः। दशकं 91 श्लोका 4। भक्तेः उत्पत्ति वृद्धि तव चरणजुषां संगमेनैव पुंसाम् आसाद्ये पुण्यभाजां श्रिय इव जगति श्रीमतां संगमेन तत्संगो देवभूयान् मम खलु सततं तन्मुखात् उन्मिषद्भिः त्वन्माहात्म्य प्रकारैः भवति च सुदृढा भक्तिः उद्धूतपापा। Word by word meaning. Jagati, in this world. Srimatam, Sangamena, by association with wealthy persons. Shriyaha, Iva, just as wealth is obtained. Tava Charana Jusham, of those who worship thy feet. Sangamena Eva, by the company alone. Punya Bhajam Pumsam, for people with a store of good deeds. Bhaktehe Utpatti Vriddhi, the generation and growth of devotion. Asadhye is possible. He Deva, O Lord, Mama Khalu Satatam, for me always. Tat Sangaha Bhuyat, may there be such association. Tan Mukhat Unmishat Bihi, which issue from their mouths. Tvan Mahatmya Prakaraihi, by the narratives of thy glories. Uddhuta Papa, which effaces all sins. Sudrudha, very firm. Bhaktihi Bhavati Cha, devotion arises. Full meaning. Just as wealth is obtained in this world by association with wealthy persons, devotion arises and grows for people who have performed good deeds by association with thy devotees alone. O Lord, may I always have such association. That firm devotion which effaces all sins arises as a result of listening to thy glories, which are sung by such devotees. Note, for devotion to arise, one must have performed good deeds in past lives. Om Tat Sat.